Hello friend, today we will see how to calculate missing length and angle of triangle with the help of trigonometry. So in example number 1, we have given hypotenuse value of theta and opposite side value. Here adjacent side value is missing, that we have to calculate. So for sine theta is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So in this case theta is 30, so sine theta is 30, so sine 30 is equal to phi by opposite side is x and h is phi, so x by phi, so x is equal to phi into sine 30. In previous example we have calculated value of sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. This is on the basis of trigonometry table. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So we will put value of this 1 by 2 here. So x is equal to phi by 2. This is the answer for x, that is opposite that is adjacent side, opposite value. So now we got opposite value. Now we have to calculate adjacent side. So for adjacent side we have one formula, that is cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse, or we have another formula, that is a square plus b square is equal to c square. This is Pythagoras formula. Both way we can calculate by this. Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse, because cos 30 value we have already have on the basis of this table. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So we can first calculate on the basis of table, that is cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Here cos theta is 30, so cos 30 is equal to a by h, where a we have to calculate a value, h is phi. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. A is equal to a by phi. So now a is equal to phi into root 3 divided by 2. This is value of adjacent. So we have calculated on the basis of table this value. Now see, let us see second example. In second example we have given two value, that is adjacent side value and hypotenuse side value, and theta value and opposite side value is missing. So we have to calculate these two value. So on the basis of these two value we come to conclusion that it should be cosine function. So cosine function is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent is 1, hypotenuse is 2. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. So cos inverse of 1 by 2 is cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So hence theta is 60 degree. So we have calculated theta is 60 degree. We got theta's value. Now we have to calculate this opposite side value, because it is missing. So both way we can calculate. In above example, with the help of another theta function we have calculated this value. Now with the help of this trigonometry with the help of this Pythagoras formula we will calculate now value of adjacent side, opposite side. So in this case a square plus b square is equal to c square. So c square is 4 a square is 1 and b square. So b square is equal to 4 minus 1. So b square is equal to 3, b is equal to root 3. So adjacent value, opposite value is root 3. So both way we have calculated the value of angle and theta with the both example. So requesting you to share your comments and thought in comment section. If you have any query, write it in comment section. You can also mail me on my email ID, so I can try to solve it, and like it and share it, and request you to subscribe it. Thanks.